So one way to easily remember the unit circle is to take, anytime you have a 30, 60, 90 degree angle or a reference angle that's 30, 60, 90, divide each of the quadrants into threes. And when you have a 45 degree angle or reference angle, 45 degree angle, divide everything into twos. So let me show you how this would work. So let's say that someone asks us to find 5 pi over 6 on the unit circle. So the first thing that we know is that that is not a 45 degree angle because it doesn't have a 4 in the denominator. So all of our 45 degree angles will always have 4s in the denominator. So when we see like 6s, 3s, 2s, that's telling us that it's 30, 60, 90. So what I could do is I could divide each of these quadrants into 3 sections. So this is 1, 2, 3 sections. Divide this quadrant into 3 sections. Divide this quadrant into 3 sections. This quadrant into 3 sections. And then I count by 1 for each line. So I will start here with 1 pi over 6. Okay, then this will be 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6. And that tells me that right here is my 5 pi over 6. Now, you will notice that we used to refer to this part of the y-axis as pi over 2. And it is pi over 2 because the 3 pi over 6 is the same thing as pi over 2. So you might have to reduce some of these angles, but if you divide it into threes, then it will always be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reduce the angles that are found. So as an example, if someone said we want you to find 5 pi over 4. In that case, because it's over 4, we would divide each little section, each quadrant, into twos. So if I divide quadrant 1 into twos, I would have 1 line, quadrant 2, 1 line, quadrant 3, 1 line, quadrant 4, 1 line. Now, just like we called this first line 1 pi over 6, we're going to call this first line 1 pi over 4. So this will be 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and so on. And so once I get to 5 pi over 4, I'm good, but I could continue on. I could say it's 6 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, and then 8 pi over 4 or 2 pi. Okay? So the idea is that if I want to divide into 30, 60, 90, I'll divide into twos for each of the quadrants. And if I want a 45 degree angle, I'm going to divide each quadrant 1 into 1 line for the quadrant.